Well, here we are, Sunday morning, and I'm going to get the the engine because we're gonna need this one for backup out of the OG here, or actually the MPK car. Gonna get this MH7 out, and that way I can put it on here, and I can rebuild it and get it ready to go for a spare for this monster over here, which is what we did yesterday, we as in me. And got all the Pro Charger and all that stuff on there, good to go. And today, this monster, excuse me, Marty's gonna come over. We got to get the transmission and drive shaft and rear end and everything in this guy, and also we got to steal struts and front tires and struts and stuff off of this car, the PRS stuff, and we're gonna move it over to the Pro Mod. The new ones aren't here yet for that one, and so we need to carnage a few things from this car. So a few electronics and things. Yeah, so today gonna get some stuff done. All right, I'm gonna keep filming and videoing, and check out our YouTube. Kevin's gonna be making some new videos on our YouTube channel. We haven't been on in a while. Thanks again for everybody, pushing us up to 15,000. That's pretty cool. And we'll see what this year brings us, and what's going to happen, and everything like that. So here's the goal. What's up, Marty?
Happened.
So we got a few things done today. I don't know. Tell me what happened. So somebody called you this weekend or something? I don't know.
Yeah, some guy. He's crazy.
Yeah. He's got a couple screws loose.
He's got some screws.
Yeah. So we took a whole bunch of screws loose, and we put a whole bunch of screws back together. So it's Sunday night, and we're trying to finish up here, and we're getting pretty close. Got some wiring and a few other things to do, but as you can see, the engine is in it, and there's just a few things here and there that need to be done, and the trans is in it. It's raining like crazy outside, so I have to put some electronics in it. Drive shaft, rear end, all that stuff's done, and yeah. Anyway, we're getting this thing ready for the World Series Pro Mod. Thanks to these guys. Pretty cool. So, got to change the belts out. They expired. That sucks. It's an ongoing battle. So, but yeah, we're gonna keep plugging away. And this week we'll get everything done, and we'll be off to Florida in a couple weeks to see what we can do at the World Series Pro Mod. So, there'll be a lot of badass competition there. Looking forward to it. So I'll be making more videos as we get this thing going. Next weekend we'll get it running, and we'll go from there. All right, Marty?
Yep.
Okay.